This is a package I just got in the mail from ELEY, a online garden hose and accessory retailer. They don't sell on Amazon, so you have to go to their website. I'm excited to show you what's inside. And their shipping costs just under $10. I think it was $8.99 or $6.99, in addition to the price of my tax. So it is a bit more expensive than shopping somewhere that has free shipping. This is the ELEY, E-L-E-Y, ELEY two-way splitter, and it has a third non-valved throughput. The nice thing about this is that it's got a nice wide throat to all of the ports, so you're not going to get the restriction you get from the cheap things you can buy at your local hardware store. It's got a solid brass construction. It's got leak-proof connections. ELEY is a 30-year-old company that started by three brothers and their dad in Nebraska. This comes with a 10-year no leak, no fuss warranty. Construction can't be beat. This feels like it weighs at least 2 pounds. It is going to last a lifetime. And with shipping and tax, this cost about $50. And you might be saying, I would never pay that much for a hose splitter. But if you're like me and you've bought 3 or 4 of these things in the last 6 years, I think my return on investment in the next 10 years of the warranty that this thing has is going to be more than making up for it. I am tired of buying cheap made in China. This is 100% made in the USA, 10-year no leak, no fail guarantee, and I think they're going to be in business in 10 years because this is made like something your great-grandfather would have bought 100 years ago. Oof, that's a little crusty. It's got some sand in there. Done this anymore. I will put the quick connect. ELEY does make their own quick connects. They just cost more than I'm willing to pay. I can water my plants with my watering can and still have water that goes out to my front yard to water with the front hose using my irrigation pump and over 1,000 gallons of rainwater storage. That's the ELEY two-way splitter, two-way on-off with a third port that's a throughput, in case you needed to put something else there. That's the ELEY two-way on-off splitter. I hope this encourages you to go out there and buy it. It is definitely worth the money. Time will tell though. It definitely feels like quality. It's built like quality. And I'm glad I'm probably not going to have to buy another splitter in the next 10 years. Thanks for watching.